Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Boker Ellipse here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty inexpensive knife, guys. 7.75 inch long when open, 4.25 inch long handle, G10 scales with these nicely milled out grooves. It's 3D contoured, so yeah. The material of the for the blade is a 448 steel, 3.125 inch long drop point blade with some hollow grind going on. So look at this, very, very nice. The weight on this guy is 3.2 ounces. The sound, sorry, it's like this. It's very bad. Yeah. No. Yeah, no. It's not good. I don't really like the sound and the action of this guy. The overall grip feeling is okay. I mean, the clip is in the wrong position. It's a tip down carry only. There's a little bit of hot spot created by this guy. It's not very smooth. The jimping, it's only here, no jimping over here. You cannot do like you can do like a push button, but yeah, most of the times it's just like, yeah, sometimes it opens, sometimes just misfires. So you're gonna be better off doing like a light switch on this guy, and which is running on bearing. Sorry, there's a little bit of blade play even if you squeeze this guy down. But overall, it's a decent budget knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.